Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4, Section 3. Today, we would like to present about our project that we choose, which is Compass for Mathematics 2. First of all, let me introduce our team member. First, me, Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Abdul Aziz, AA 211045, Muhammad Saifuddin bin Ahmad Karahi, AA 211411, Naili Batrisha binti Nasharuddin, AA 210943, and Wan Anis Fatiha binti Wan Yushamsul, AA 210470. Now we move on to introduction part. Compass is one of the mathematical tools which is used to draw a geometrical figure such as a circle. It is also used in the intersection of line segments and tools which is used to intersect the line segment and helps to find the midpoint of the shapes. It is a V-shaped tool that holds a pencil on one side of the V and a pointer on the other side. The distance between the pencil and the pointer is adjustable. It is used to trace arcs, circles, and angles. It is also used to mark equal lengths. Compasses are usually made of metal or plastic and consist of two legs connected by a hinge which can be adjusted to allow changing of the radius of the circle drawn. Typically, one leg has a spike at its end for anchoring, and the other leg holds a drawing tool such as a pencil, a short length of just pencil lead, or sometimes a pen.
Let's move on to history of compasses. Instrument known as a drawing compass is used to draw circle of arch, a technical drawing. A pair of compasses or just a compass is another name for this item. It may also be used to measure distance on maps or to most accurately measure distance. Drawing compasses are also employed in navigation in mathematics, drafting, and a variety of the other files. Many items were made throughout the Renaissance to create a universal instrument that could be used to easily conduct arithmetical calculation and geometric operation. The first drawing compasses were discovered in ancient Rome, archaeology digs. Before the 18th century, every drawing compass had a needle instead of a pencil, which scratched the surface. Drawing compasses were commonly used around the world by 20th century. Although the use of a drawing compasses has decreased as a result of the introduction of computer aided design software or CAD, it continued to be used in school and university to teach the technical drawing and geometry.
Now I will introduce the type of compass in market. For the first type is Newsource Professional Compass for Geometry. For this type, combination compass set for solid and plane, resin sheet is made of flexible stainless steel and essential tool, easy to be used in drawing without the burns inside of holes. The erasing sheet along with eraser clearing the error on the face of drawing sheet. Aluminum compass and spring compass have good code performance. The second type is professional metal compass for geometry. This type is high quality professional compass or divider for maths, geometry, art, crafting, and drawing. Precision geometry compass with spring bow head and center wheel prevents unintentional leg movements. Metal compass packaged in a clear usable pouch, easy to carry and store. Student can draw compasses with pen, smooth center wheel adjustment. Two extra replace parts in a storage tube. The third type is a set stainless steel drawing compass max geometry tools. For this type, four pieces large big compasses and largest 22 centimeter 8.66-inch diameter circle. For school stationary drawing tool, silver tone metal and drafting compasses set used for drawing circle or circular art. And the last type is geometry kit, 10-piece math toolkit with compasses. For the last type, precise centimeter scale for measurement, easy to use for all levels of student, architects, engineers, designers, artists, teacher to draft, paint, draw school or office project. The compasses for geometry are made of metal and the geometric tools are constructed of high quality plastic which is strong and can be used for years.
Next, let's move on to general description of the drawing compasses. A technical drawing equipment known as a drawing compass is used to draw circle of arcs. Circle may be drawn by pushing one of the compass's legs into the paper with the spike, then placing the pencil on the paper and moving the pencil around while retaining the leg at the same angle. Some people who find this task challenging will stop moving the compasses and instead spin the paper around. By altering the starting angle between the two legs, the radius of the intended circle may be adjusted. Plastic or metal are the most common material used to make compasses. A drawing compass handle is around 1.25 cm long and is designed to be gripped between the thumb and pointer finger. There are many types of compasses we have, such as beam compass, scribe compass, loose leg divider, and proportional compass. Next, I will tell you about bill of material of the drawing compasses. Compasses are built from metal or plastic and have two legs joined by a head that can be adjusted to change the radius of the circle drawn. One leg usually has a spike at the end for anchoring, while the other leg usually has a drawing instrument on it, such as a pencil, short leg of simple pencil lead, or a pen. As you can see, here we list the part of compasses and their description.
Next, I will continue this presentation with table of components, pictures and types of materials. As you can see here, this compass has divided to a 5 compartments, which is handle, legs, pencil lead, needle point and hinge. Each compartment has their own function, so for the first compartment, which is handle function, is it to grip in between your pointer finger thumb. Next, this compass has 2 types of legs, which is the first leg named is the steady leg, and the function of it is as the basis or support for the needle point. Meanwhile, the other leg's name is adjustable legs, which is it to be altered in order to draw different size of circle. Next is pencil lead. Pencil lead is to draw the circle on a particular paper or material. The fourth compartment is needle point. Needle point is to serve as the center point of the circle that is about to be drawn. Lastly is hinge, which it is to hold the 2 legs, and the hinge can be adjusted depending on desired stiffness. Next, I will pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
So next, discussion of two selected components for orthographic drawing. So this is full body for orthographic drawing for our compass. So the total length is 147 mm and the width for hinge is 95 mm. The radius for screw is 5 mm and the radius for our pencil is 4 mm and the height for our compass is 10 mm. So next, we select legs component for our orthographic drawing. So the length for our legs is 100 mm and the total width is 21 mm and the distance between legs is 9 mm and the width of leg is 6 mm. So the second component that we selected for our orthographic drawing is needle of compass. So the total length of needle is 21 mm and the radius for our needle is 3 mm and the height for our needle is 6 mm. So that's it for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, for establish this project, we have learned new knowledge and experience about being used in this project. The process is going smoothly as planned with minor problem and we solve the problem together. This is because we already learned the procedure in terms of using tools before we start our project. We also thank to our lecturer for the guiding throughout the project until done. the knowledge that we learn in this project are useful for us when we interwork. Producing this project is important to us due to in this project, students are exposed to learn about how using the tools in the proper way and work as a team. In our opinion, this project is giving a profound impact for students that apply the theory that they learn in class into a real-life project with the correct specific measure to produce the good result. I want to thank all of you for the attention given to our presentation. Last but not least, we hope that our project will receive positive feedbacks from the lecturer. Thank you.